Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare the Dodge Viper versus the Audi RS6. We'll explore their unique characteristics, from raw power to everyday usability, helping you decide which high-performance machine best suits your needs. Get ready for a deep dive into two very different automotive philosophies. The Viper's enormous V10 engine provides a visceral, untamed power delivery, sending all its force to the rear wheels for a truly engaging experience. In contrast, the RS6 twin-turbo V8, paired with its advanced all-wheel drive system, offers immense, yet more controlled, acceleration and grip in various conditions. When it comes to practicality, these vehicles diverge significantly. The Audi RS6 excels as a daily driver, comfortably seating 5 passengers and offering substantial cargo capacity. The Dodge Viper, however, is a dedicated two-seater, prioritizing performance and driver connection over everyday convenience or storage space. Ultimately, your choice between the Viper and RS6 depends on your priorities. If you crave an uncompromised, visceral driving experience, the Viper delivers pure, raw excitement. However, if you need blistering speed combined with the practicality of seating for 5 and ample cargo space, the RS6 is an exceptional daily driver. Both are incredible machines, just built for different purposes. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those leak-proof, meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.